There are 5 major changes to Social Security coming in 2024. So if you're on Social Security, definitely want to see what these 5 changes are. A new bill proposal has just entered Congress, which could prevent Social Security recipients from getting their wages garnished. And the COLA announcement is tomorrow, the big date, October 12th. I'll let you know what the latest forecast is for COLA, what we could expect numbers to be, so you know what your Social Security check will be coming in 2024. With these 5 changes coming, definitely want to see what happens with that, as your Social Security check could change in the amount with these changes coming. I'll let you know that bill proposal, what the latest forecast is for COLA, and give you some other important updates as well. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate these regular Social Security updates, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more Social Security updates. Also, this video is sponsored by my company, Sense. If you or anyone you know is looking to increase your credit score, I got a link down in the description below. Book a free call with me and I'll let you know what you can do to help out your credit score. I got a link down below. All right, let's get into it right here. So Senator Ron Wyden reintroduces bill to protect Social Security benefits from garnishment. What he said here: it is plain wrong to take away the Social Security benefits seniors earn through a lifetime of work because of the increase in burden of student loan debt. It's past time Congress protects seniors and the Social Security benefits they have earned with every paycheck. That's why I'm proud to reintroduce legislation that shores up protections for Social Security benefits and allows seniors in Oregon and nationwide to retire with dignity they deserve. So with this bill, it's going to protect Social Security checks from garnishment, mainly due to student loan repayments. So it looks like for the age 60 or older who still have student loan debt, it's going to protect them and prevent their Social Security checks from being garnished. So if someone's not able to pay their student loan debt, most likely they're in a position not to, and to take away their main source of income, which could be Social Security, that could be detrimental to someone's lifestyle. So let me know down in the comments below. Really curious, if you are over 60 on Social Security, do you have any student loan debt? I'm really curious. Let me know down in the comments below. Next up, with the COLA tomorrow, October 12th is a big day for Social Security recipients. It's the announcement we've been waiting for a while. So the current numbers that we're hearing is between 3% and 3.5%. The last we've heard was around 3.2%. Up from 2.8%. So it could be a high of 3.5%, but we're not going to see anywhere in the ballpark of 8.7% of what we saw last year. But the official announcement comes out tomorrow. I'll let you know as soon as I find out. So stay tuned for that if you're curious what the official COLA number is. And then 5 major Social Security changes that retirees can expect in 2024. So if you're on Social Security, definitely want to see what these 5 changes are. I'll go over it. Workers will need to earn more money to qualify for Social Security. So workers must earn 40 credits to be fully insured under the Social Security program. Anyone who lacks the requisite number of credits cannot receive retirement benefits, nor can their family receive spousal benefits or survivor's benefits. So that's going to change. Social Security beneficiaries will get cost of living adjustment. So this is talking about the COLA latest. So you can see here what the COLA difference would be. So retired workers with the average benefit of $1,840 in 2023, with the COLA adjustment around 3.2%, the new number would be $1,899. So a $58 difference there. For spouses, could be a $28 increase. For survivors, could be a $46 increase. And for disabled workers, it could be a $47 increase. So those are the different numbers that we're expecting based on the projection of 3.2%. So these numbers could change depending on what the actual COLA is and what your benefit is as well. Number 3. Some workers will owe Social Security tax on more income. So Social Security is primarily financed through payroll tax, but the amount of income subject to taxation is limited under current law. The taxable maximum is modified each year to account for changes in the National Average Wage Index. It increased to $160,000 in 2023, up from $147,000 in 2022. The Social Security Board of Trustees expects the taxable maximum to reach $167,000 in 2024, but the Social Security Administration will publish the official figure tomorrow, October 12th. So we got a lot of news coming out tomorrow, October 12th, big day. Number 4, the maximum Social Security benefit at full retirement age will increase. The Social Security benefits formula is revised annually to ensure benefit awards keep pace with national wage levels. As a result, the maximum Social Security benefit at full retirement age tends to increase each year, and it has risen at roughly 3.6% annually over the last decade. If the next year aligns with the average, the maximum retired worker benefit at FRA will increase from $3,627 per month in 2023 to $3,758 per month in 2024. And then number 5, early claimers will be able to earn more income benefits. Let me say that again. Early claimers will be able to earn more income before benefits are withheld. So workers who start Social Security before FRA and continue working will have part of their benefit temporarily withheld if their income exceeds certain limits. Those limits are referred to as the retirement earnings test exempt amounts. The current limits are detailed below. So the lower amount is $21,240. This figure applies to workers under FRA for the entire year. $1 in Social Security benefits is withheld for every $2 in earnings that exceed $21,240. And then the upper limit is $56,520. This figure applies to workers reaching FRA during the year. $1 in Social Security benefits is withheld for every $3 in earnings that exceed $56,520. The retirement earnings limits typically increase annually based on changes in the National Average Wage Index. That means workers who claim Social Security early can typically earn a little extra income each year before benefits are withheld. Estimates from the Board of Trustees put the limits at $22,200 and $59,160 next year, but Social Security Administration will announce the official amounts on October 12th tomorrow. So a lot of big changes would be coming tomorrow. I'll let you know the official numbers. As this changes, a lot of what I just explained, the 5 changes, could be for 2024. So once we find out these numbers, I'm going to let you know so you have a better idea of what your Social Security check will be in 2024. So stay tuned for that. And that is all the news that I have for you today to hopefully brighten your day a bit. Here's my daughter Bella's tip of the day.
Hi guys, this is Bella. This is the tip of the day, and I am going to be telling you that you always need to have fun at the playground or at anything. You need to have fun with yourself and enjoy yourself how you are right now, because the day after it won't be around. So you have to enjoy the day first. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate your support. If you want to see the latest bill proposal and what Congress is talking about Social Security at this moment, you're going to want to click this video right over here as I give you the latest update, bill proposal, and what they are talking about in Congress, as well as a $17,000 cut or a $2,400 increase. So definitely want to click that video right now. I'll give you all the info and I'll see you in that video. Take care, be safe. Thank you for watching.